In this tutorial, we'll show you how to effortlessly scan a QR code using your mobile device and link it to your Telegram desktop app. So let's look how to do this. When you try to log in Telegram in desktop app, you will get this QR and you have to scan this using phone. You can see my mobile on the right side. You have to open Telegram app on your mobile. Then click on settings at bottom right corner. Next click on devices. Then click on link desktop device button. Then scan QR present in desktop with this mobile QR code scanner. After that, you will be able to log in Telegram. If you get this screen, then just provide the password and you will be able to log in to Telegram in desktop as shown here. You can see all Telegram user of mobile is synced with Telegram on desktop. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.